like a soccer star.
This is Wale.
Yeah, what
I'm in Miami. This is Miami, and I'm drinking Chivita. Chivita is good for your health. Chivita is good for your family. It's good for your mama leg. Papa leg, the coco leg, the baby leg, grandmama leg, and all the baby legs. And sister, it's good for you. It's good for you too. This is my sister from Miami. Miami? So, I'm trying to introduce this product to you. How do you see Chivita?
Morongo.
Advert. All nice. Advert. So what's your name? This place is fun.
Friday, you're in trouble.
They say make Jack the doughboy. You got to come to the beach, just pull out. Leave all your worries behind, all the office.
Yes, we are happy now. Why? All the other is super happy. Why? Why? We have to come. I'm sorry. I can't help it. We have to come.
That's come to the beach.
I want to burn this into a TV.
I'm sorry. We have to come. We have to come.